Welcome to the tutorial session of larger projects with team management. Log in to AeroGCS KEA by entering valid details. Signed up services would be seen on the screen. Go to AeroGCS Enterprise to proceed with team access and management. Under AeroGCS Enterprise, you will find Teams option on the left-hand side. In Teams, you would see Invite option. You can invite the engineer that is needed in the team as a team member. AeroGCS Enterprise allows to invite new team by entering their valid email ID. After the invite is sent to the concerned team member, it would be shown as invited for that particular person. Invitation would be sent on the mentioned email ID. The invitee would receive the following email. Email will have a click option. As the invitee clicks, it would be directed to a new window of thanking the invitee. On accepting the invite, the new team member would be seen as active. Log in again from the valid email ID and password. Connect your drone device by going to serial port settings. Click on Project to create new project. Enter valid details like project name, client name, plan name, and save the following. Enter valid location for drone to fly. Choose a mission as per the plan created. Here we have selected survey. Enter valid speed of the same. Proceed with next. Set the plan where the mission is to be carried out. Enter front overlap and side overlap. Enter altitude. All parameters would be seen on the screen. Turn on mission and save the plan. Enable uploading plan to device. Enable or disable uploading terrain data. Here you will see flight plan is uploaded. Go to home screen, sync the process. You can see this created project on server. Go to Service Manager's account and click on Projects. Under Projects, you will see the current project created. Click on the project. Here you see the plan created under Project. Click on the three dots on Plan Scene. It will give three options. Click on Manage Access. Under Manage Access, you will see Users. Particular access can be given to each team member as per the task assigned. Here are the options for access. Read, edit, create and delete. As per the access, the user or engineer would be able to perform actions. After giving access, click on the plus sign mentioned beside. Log out from Service Manager's account and log in from Engineer's account. After adding new account, it would ask for drone registration. Proceed by adding drone details. Click on Save and save the details. Here you can select the team and particular manager and see the plan. Here we are selecting Mumbai Indians. All the plans that have access to Mumbai Indians would be seen on selecting the same. All projects that Mumbai Indians team has access to are shown here. Also the plan under the project. As the service manager has given access of read only, the assigned engineer would only be able to read the plan. All other access would be disabled for the user. Even if the engineer tries to delete a plan, this window would pop up. In case of editing the plan, the user won't be able to make any changes in the current settings. For giving edit access to the engineer, go to Web and log in to Service Manager's account. Go to the dedicated plan. Click on three dots given on plan. Proceed with Manage Access. Select the team member and click on the drag down. Select Edit to give permit to edit plan. Go back to Engineer's account. Select the respective team. Manage access by clicking on Edit. It gives the engineer the access and rights to edit plans. As the service engineer has not given delete access, the engineer would be able to edit the plan but wouldn't be able to delete or take over any other action. Upload plan to device and proceed with the flight. Click on Takeoff. AeroGCS will give automatic flight pre-checks. After all flight pre-checks, click on Takeoff to proceed with flight. As the flight has been initiated, you can see the altitude rising. All parameters are seen here. Latitude, longitude, compass heading, number of satellites, altitude, speed of the drone, wind speed of the area, battery, total time of flight, total area covered, mode of the flight and roll, pitch and yaw values. Live HOD orientation is being shown here. Gimbal control can be done from here. Roll, pitch and yaw can be manually adjusted from here. Flight has been successfully completed and the drone is heading back to its home location. Home location is the one which the drone has initiated the flight. After landing, the flight would be disarmed. Just sync once. Go back to Service Manager's account to see flight logs. On clicking on AeroGCS, this screen will appear. Proceed by clicking on Pilots. Under this, you will see flights taken by the assigned pilots. Recent performed flight would be seen here. All details would be displayed here. If any pilot engineer has taken another flight, it would be seen here. By clicking on it, all flight details would be seen. Like name of the plan and project, date, flight ID, start and end time, duration of the flight, average and average speed. Below you would see altitude, speed and battery graphs, along with the route of the drone flight and all logs generated during the flight. Click on More to see all the logs. Here you can adjust roll, pitch and yaw values, along with specific altitude, speed, latitude, longitude and battery support. AeroGCS allows to download complete data. Export the file to your device. Exported CSV file shows all data of the flight. In case of minor observations, replay of flight can be done. In the same manner, data of other team can be accessed and monitored. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.